Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial. Today we'll learn how to execute command prompt or CMD commands directly within PowerShell. By the end of this video, you'll know 3 simple methods to use CMD commands in your PowerShell environment. Let's get started. PowerShell is powerful, but sometimes you might need to run CMD commands to leverage legacy tools or specific utilities. Let's see how to do this step by step. The first method uses the AND operator, also known as the invocation operator. It allows you to run external commands directly from PowerShell. Here, cmd.exe/c tells PowerShell to invoke the CMD shell and execute the command string. The result is the text output from CMD. The second method is to directly call cmd.exe within PowerShell and pass the commands to it. This runs the cmd command dir, which lists the directory contents and shows the results in PowerShell. The final method uses the Invoke-Expression cmd.let. This allows you to run cmd commands dynamically from PowerShell. Here, Invoke-Expression evaluates the command string and executes it in CMD, displaying the result in PowerShell. To summarize, here's a quick comparison of the methods we covered: and operator, quick and direct for one-liners; direct cmd.exe, simple for common CMD commands; Invoke-Expression, versatile for complex command strings. Each method has its strengths, so choose the one that fits your use case. For one-off commands, use and/or direct invocation. For dynamic commands, prefer Invoke-Expression. That's how you can run CMD commands in PowerShell using simple methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get notifications for the new tutorials. Please also check out more tutorials on our channel.